Hey guys, just so you know, I have new merch. Go and check it out right now because it's limited time only.
Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Because it's that kind of day. I'd like to thank Reshape for partially sponsoring today's video. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to the weirdness. No problem, no circumstance. Let's get right into it. I tried to feel better for a week doing a few things. I make lots of vlogs. They don't end up on here though. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Stay tuned. I've got a lot of stressors in my life right now. A lot is going on in my personal life, and it's affecting my work. Danielle, how can you create a simple routine that you can do every day just to start yourself back into, feel like I'm re-socializing myself, seeing as how I think all of this is going to end very soon in a positive way and we're gonna get back to normal, guys. I think it's getting better. First thing, wake up early. Oh, second thing, eat breakfast. I am notorious for skipping meals, not on purpose. I literally forget because time vortex, right. 3, exercise. Whenever I exercise, and especially when I exercise regularly, I am a better Danielle. I feel better, I look better, my skin is better, my hair grows faster, everything about it is positive. Time vortex, isolation, really got me off my grind. And I couldn't go to the gym for a long time. Drinking water. Danielle versus water is like a class A fight. And meditate. When I say that my mind is a hurricane, that is very accurate. I would say tornado, but I'm a Pisces, so. Ew. So, let's get into it. Day 1. Child. Day 1, waking up early. I was enraged. I know because a lot of my videos are filmed when I'm feeling like chipper. I come off as like a very peppy person, and I am after I wake up. Most of the time. Just barely most of the time. And this week I really decided to double down and try to wake up at 7:30. I was incensed. I was furious, irritated, wrathful. All the evil in the world is directly responsible for 7:30 in the morning. Yes. But I did it, and I schlepped my way to the kitchen, and I pulled out some breakfast bars because there was no way that I was cooking at 7:30. Absolutely not. And I munched angrily on some breakfast bars. And then it was time to exercise, which brings us to today's sponsor, Reshape. So, a little bit about Reshape. Reshape is a personal coach, sport, and food monitoring application. It's a really good gateway to get back into working out because I hadn't been working out for a long time, okay? There was a lot to think about, there was a lot to research, and I had so much going on, and I still do. I really needed an application that could just do all of that legwork for me, and Reshape is really good about that. Also, they are heavily visual, which is very helpful for me. If you're a visual learner and you're trying to get back into working out or food preparation or personal coaching, it makes it really easy, just go ahead and download it right now. I'll leave the link in the description. I highly recommend it. Also, it's free. Literally, there's no reason not to download it. And on a personal note, really helps the channel out so I can continue to make free content like this. It helps me out a lot when you guys check out the sponsors. So I'll leave the link in the description. And if that wasn't enough, here's a lovely coupon code for you because I got you.
So, start your healthy lifestyle today. Fill in a 1-minute quiz, select 6 months plan, and get 50% off, plus an additional month free. Go to reshape.me/StarPuppy or use my coupon StarPuppy at checkout.
service. Now, exercise this first day, amazing. Exercising for the first time in a long time actually motivated me to drink water because I was actually sweating, which has not been a common experience these days. After my workout, I went ahead and sat down crisscross applesauce and I meditated. I find that meditation really centers you, and I need some centering because, again, my brain is a hurricane. I like the idea of meditation. I haven't meditated in even longer. And have you ever seen, let's see, have you ever seen a Yorkie puppy on leash for the first time? I have. That's how my brain was. I was having, honest to goodness, a tough time. But I did it, and that's something I can say I accomplished that day. Day 2. I leapt out of bed. It was insane. 7:30 was exactly when I wanted to wake up. My body was like, hey, are you trying to... I mean, we did it, yes. Yeah, put it through. And I just leapt out of bed. I also decided it was a better idea to push off breakfast until after my workout. I hear that you burn more calories that way. I don't know. But I had to do squats and jumping and stuff, so no food yet. So I did my little workout with Reshape, and that motivated me to drink some water. And then I tried to meditate, and it was a no-go. No, it was a no-go. I got so frustrated trying to meditate, I forgot to eat. Day 3. So on day 3, I woke up late, and that put me in a mood. I was so upset because I didn't just oversleep. I turned off my alarms while still asleep. It wasn't a conscious I'll wake up again in 5 minutes. I don't even remember turning off my 4 alarms. No, I remember nothing. That threw off my plans for the day, and I was just mad. I was mad that whole day. I did my exercise begrudgingly, and that boosted my mood a little bit. But as far as breakfast and stuff and meditation and stuff, that was a hard sell. Particularly the meditation, I was so full of disappointment in myself. It was even harder to center my thoughts because I was just so angry at me. So that just threw my whole day off, and that was sad. Day 4, I was right on back to angrily waking up, probably because I overslept the previous day, and my poor circadian rhythm was But it was certainly easier than day 1, but yeah, that was a really hard sell. But I did it because I didn't want to be as angry as I was at myself the previous day. So I went ahead and I was just don't even give yourself a chance to be grumpy. Just get out of bed, get going, let's go. I glugged a little bit of water before starting to work out, went straight into the workout, did my very best, and oh my gosh, it was like magic. I felt those magic endorphins of working out, of hey, everything's fine. It felt like I was getting my frustration out early in the morning of I'm sure what would have been a frustrating day. For the first time, when I sat down to meditate, it was a little bit easier than any other day. And that was probably because I went super hard in my workout. So that managed to get a lot of energy out too, so a little less energy to madly think. My camera wasn't recording, but I exercised, I swear. I would be way madder right now if I wasn't on a post-workout happy feeling. Okay, back to your regularly scheduled programming. And so that brings us to the final day. And the final day was the best of them all. Was it because it was my final day and I knew I wouldn't have to do this for a video beyond this? Maybe. But I breezed out of bed, I breezed through my workout, I breezed through the water, and I breezed through meditation, and I breezed through breakfast. I was really proud of myself in that moment. I was having a really good time. And I think I'll continue it just because I've noticed that my mood is lighter. I noticed that my day is more predictable and positive because I have something to hold on to. Working for yourself is very challenging, especially when you have no social outlet. Like, I work and work and work, then I don't get to play. It's been really hard. It's been really difficult. Oh boy. Maybe try this. Like, especially Reshape, exercise has a lot of power on focus and mood. Like, if nothing else, just download it. Use the link, use my coupon code, and thank you Reshape for sponsoring part of this video. And I think things are gonna be okay. I think I'm gonna bring back 20s Talks, guys. I'd like it very much if you could leave some ideas in the comment section for 20s Talks. I really miss just talking to a camera instead of pulling all these stunts and things like that. It's very tiring, and I got too much going on to be doing such like heavy lifting with content. I'd like to just talk to you guys, you know, hair talking, cosplay, music, art and stuff. Talking what, the second thing? So yeah, I miss you. Throw something in the comment section. You know, I can just give a hot take. I'm no expert, but I care. That counts for something. So anyway, if you've made it this far, please like and subscribe, check out my merch, and please, please, please download the app. It helps the channel out a lot when you actually take action. And I'll see you guys next time. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo, StarPuppy signing out. Say it with me now, StarPuppy. Away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.